Hello children, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn sound of letter R. In previous we have learned sound of letters A to Q. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, and Q says Q. And today we will learn sound of letter R. R says R. R says R. This is capital R. This is small r. Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. R as in rat. Rat. Say it again. R as in rat. Rat. What is the sound of letter R? R. R says R. Repeat again. R says R. R as in rat. Rat. R as in ring. Ring. R as in ring. Ring. R as in rabbit. Rabbit. R as in rabbit. Rabbit. R as in rope. Rope. What is the sound of letter R?